We are Homac. Homac provides solutions that help our partners in the woodworking industry move forward. We're innovative, digitally focused, and globally networked. We build intensive relationships with our customers based on strong trust and constant dialogue. Only those who are close to the customer can truly listen to the customer, and only those who listen understand. Welcome to Shopfloor. Here is our origin. Here it all started in 1960, and we'll never forget that. No matter how much has changed in recent years, one thing has always remained the same. Our success is created by people, for people, and we only feel successful when our customer is successful. We do not only give everything for our customers, we give them everything from a single source. We don't have large customers. We don't have small customers. We have customers who need a solution to their challenge, and we develop each of these solutions in partnership with them, from the first idea to the first practical application. Worldwide, more than 100,000 individual customer concepts have been turned into successful solutions. Fully automated production, integrated production systems, digital assistants, high-precision machines, customized components. All these innovations have only been possible due to a high degree of market understanding, process competence, and the use of state-of-the-art technologies. Each of our customers have their own future. We want to prepare you for this future. We want to design this future together with you and build a strong base for long-term success. We're doing things today just as we did in 1960, and our customers can absolutely rely on that to continue into the future, because we're only satisfied when everyone can say with absolute conviction, Homac, your solution.